In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard. Now, if you can't see a microphone icon at the top right corner, click on this gear one instead. Select voice typing and tap on this switcher next to use voice typing to turn it on. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or tap on the same microphone. You can also click on your microphone and select tiny icon right next to it. Then use voice typing from this toolbar. Operate microphone the same way. Delete text on the go thanks to this button with an X. Manage all available settings from here by clicking on those three lines on the left. Hold your toolbar and drag it to place it wherever you want to. And to go back to standard one, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!